Hey guys, it's Noelle. When I was a teenager, I was obsessed with going to my local office supply store at the beginning of every semester and begging my mom and dad to get me all the school supplies, from fresh notebooks to cute pens, and don't even get me started on my back to school outfits. But my little teenage brain didn't even realize that there are so many other cool school supplies that go way beyond just notebooks, pens, and folders that actually elevate your schooling experience. And I'm gonna walk you through them in this video right now. But before I do, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future organizational tips and tricks. All right, let's go. So the first cool school supply that you definitely need is a small notebook like this. This is the Intergalactic Word Notebook from Of a Kind. What's super cool about this notebook is that it has a ton of awesome features that'll help you keep organized for the year. As you can see, each page of the notebook comes with a bullet list running down the left side of the page so that you can easily write down tasks and notes and mark them off when you complete them. This notebook is super useful because it's a separate place where you can put your miscellaneous tasks and notes where it won't get super cluttered in your school notebooks. Plus, it's super tiny and easy to carry around with you in your pocket. Another cool school supply that you absolutely need is a portable charger. This is the power bank from Bando. It's super cute and super useful. It's got two USB ports so that you can charge more than one device at a time. So you could charge your cell phone at the same time as charging your tablet. And this baby has a lot of juice in it, so you can charge up your whole phone without having to worry about it, and you'll never have your phone die on you right when you were about to text your crush to meet you at your locker, ever again. Another cool feature that this portable charger has is that it has a flashlight. All you have to do to use it is double press the power button and then it turns on, and then you just double tap to turn it off. There are also a ton of other portable chargers out there. You definitely don't have to get this one, but what I like about this one is that it has a lot of charging power without being super clunky and heavy. Just be honest, your earbuds are floating around at the bottom of your backpack with like yesterday's Doritos and an eraser you lost like 12 years ago, right? So to avoid your earbuds disappearing to the land of lost things where they'll get all covered in Dorito dust, you should definitely get a cord wrap. I'm gonna show you two cord wraps today. One is a round cord wrap from Poppin'. The other one is this boomerang shape, but they both do the same exact thing. It's just that the different shapes offer different storage opportunities. So I wanted to show you both. If you listen to music nonstop and you need to remove your earbuds from the cord wrap very quickly, this Poppin' one is definitely the one for you because you can just spin your earbuds right off of it in like a second flat. Whereas if you're just obsessed with keeping your earbuds safe and out of a tangled mess at the bottom of your backpack, then this Paper Source one is perfect. On to the next cool school supply. You're probably used to writing on something like this, a standard Post-it, which does the job, great resource, but you might want something a little bit cuter, something to brighten up your day when you pull out a memo pad. So I introduce to you the sticky memo ball from Poppin'. It is literally the cutest thing I have ever seen in my entire life. This is pretty self-explanatory. It's a memo pad. You just rip them off and put your memos on it. But as 17.com's resident organizational queen, I felt like it was my responsibility to make sure that you knew about this and get it in your life immediately. Here you go. Back to your regular programming. The next cool school supply that could potentially change your life is a stylus. Why this is cool for school is because if you happen to forget your notebook or you lost your pen and you desperately need something to write with, you can actually use your phone to take notes if you have a stylus. I got this stylus for like 10 bucks at Radio Shack, and it basically just helps you write really precisely on your cell phone screen. I know that you probably have one of these like yellow standard highlighters, which are great, they do the job, but you might not want a neon yellow highlight hitting you in the face whenever you open your notebook. So you should invest in fun highlighters These are smelly jellies from Paper Source. Not only do they come in super cool, awesome colors, but as the name suggests, these highlighters smell glorious. Yum. These also aren't ink. They're made out of a gel so that it doesn't seep through your paper. And you can like switch around the caps so that they look like really cute and eclectic color-wise. I just think they're like really cute. The next lifesaver that you'll need this school year are marker stamps. These are Bando marker stamps that I got from Paper Source. What I love about these is that unlike regular stamps that are really small and get lost at the bottom of your bag, these are shaped like regular markers and pens, and you can pack them with your markers and pens so that you never lose them. What I find really useful to have when I'm bringing my laptop to school is an actual cute laptop bag that'll make me want to bring my laptop to school. I got this laptop bag from Bando. What I like about it is it's more like a laptop purse. It has a magnetic closure on the front so that none of your stuff gets lost. On the inside, it has 4 compartments and then a large front pocket. And then on the inside, it has a big pocket for maybe a notebook or 2 and a sleeve for your laptop. But obviously the biggest selling point of this is that it's cute AF and it also keeps your laptop safe. The next cool school supply that you should definitely invest in is a locker shelf. If you watched my How to Decorate Your Locker video, which you can watch by clicking somewhere right around here, you saw this make an appearance. All you have to do is put this at the bottom of your locker and it creates a second shelf so that you can use more of the empty space. That way, you can put your books at the bottom of your locker and still have room for your memo ball. The next 2 school supplies that you absolutely need are part of a system, if you will. It's a laptop stand and a keyboard. So I know you're like, it's 2018, I have a laptop, I don't need such things. But have you ever noticed that when you're writing that super long paper at home, your back is aching like nothing you've ever felt before? Well, that's your spine telling you that you've been hunched over your laptop screen for like way too long. To avoid lighting your spine on fire, get a laptop stand and a keyboard, just like this one from Amazon. This laptop stand is adjustable so that it brings your laptop screen up so that it meets your eye line and you don't have to bend your neck to look at your screen. Once you raise your laptop screen up to your eye line, it'll be hard to use the built-in keyboard on your laptop. So you should get a super cheap keyboard from Amazon or any local office supply store and plug it into your computer and put it in front of you. That way, your computer is set up in a way that won't hurt your back when you're banging out that 10-page paper that's due in like 3 days. That's it. I hope this video helps you figure out which knickknacks you cannot go without this school year. Now, definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any more awesome videos just like this in the future. All right, bye.